Today we will see how to make Amazon affiliate product video ads. First, open any browser and copy the link of any product which you want to make the video ads. I am generating the gaming headphone as my product, so I will copy full link of the product. Then open new tab and search for Flicky.ai and click on the first link. First, you have to create an account for free with your Gmail account. Click on Create New File. First, choose the option product and the ratio of the video ads, language of the video, and name your product, and select any templates according to you. And click on Submit. Then paste the full link of your product. Then choose the video timing and select templates according to you. And click on Submit. It will take less than 1 minute to generate the video ads, and you can edit the video for your need, and you can change the background of the video, and here is the preview of the video.
GS 410 headphones. Cosmic Byte GS 410 headphone. Gaming के
And
लिए
then click on
बेहतरीन।
Export the video. If you find the video informative, then do not forget to like and subscribe the video.